Hello, my realistic people. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just get thank you enough. So, my realistic people, what is happening right now in Lagos is unbelievable. Hey, it is happening live and direct, and I believe that this is going to serve as lesson to a lot of people. Not only that, they destroyed the Alaba market, they are trying to extend it to other main markets also in Lagos State. That is mostly the Igbos. Oh my goodness, you can't believe this. But I don't want to talk too much. I just want to release the video so that you can also watch it and listen, so that when people are talking, you even will know the reason why people are lamenting, why people are crying, telling these people to come back home, to go back to their state if they are not welcome. It is obvious. So please listen to this video and I'll be right back.
Everybody within this market. For what? Don't do that. Why go to video now? Want to connect from section of the union, from us, from group of land grabbers. Want to connect half of the market from us, including our secretary. And so we are not going to allow that to happen. Tomorrow, everybody must be in this market. Tomorrow morning, as early as 7 o'clock, 7:30. They tried it at Alaba and they failed. And they want to try it in our own section. Some group of land grabbers, these guys are land grabbers. And if you allow them, they will take everything. And so we are going to make sure that tomorrow, everybody, what I mean is, both secretary, both Oga, both Madam, must be here. You must be here. Unless you don't want to do business here again, maybe tomorrow you wake up and they will tell you are no longer the owner of this place. But please make sure you are here tomorrow morning. Many TV stations will be here. AIT is already at the secretariat. Please, everybody, do this for yourself and for your business tomorrow morning. As early as 7 o'clock, 7:30, we are all here.
As you can see, the PRO of Fancy and Furniture, Alaba International Market, giving order that everybody will be in market here on Sunday for more details.
This is Igbo shop, so they are demolishing, so billions of naira. Here is police people and security people fighting for Igbo people's business they are taking. Even police is collecting money from Aboki that is picking some property, these excavators destroyed. So as you can see them, they are about to fight self. So that is it. We are still saying Igbo containers are still coming back, as we all can see. They are still bringing in their containers. God help us that we may leave this nation and get our own country called Biafra. So thank you very much. Still demolition going on. Yes. This very building is so strong that they couldn't pull it down for now. But I believe they'll still come back for it. This one is that. All this stuff you are seeing is doors. those that are taken away from Igbo people's shop. You can see it a lot in the truck going to sell. This is it. How many trucks have already passed? This is what we are seeing in Lagos State. Chukwuka will help us. This is like Middle Zip. Fulanis are stealing from Igbo share. Lagos State are busy demolishing it. Still the demolition of Igbo people's shop. As you can see, the work is ongoing. So many buildings have already burned down already. As you can see. See new building, the person just finished building it. They have not even started using it. The thing is going down now.
This is what people are passing through right now in Lagos State. Hey, where are those traditional rulers that went to visit Tinubu, telling Tinubu that okay, we join hands to fight insecurity? So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.